Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of stun. Knock unconscious or into a dazed or semi-conscious state. For example, the man was stunned by a blow to the head. The second definition of stun. Astonish or shock someone, so that they are temporarily unable to react. For example, the community was stunned by the tragedy. American pronunciation. Stun. Stun. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Stun. Say. Stun. Stun means knock unconscious or into semi-conscious state. Stun. Stun. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. The stun knocked him back a ways and he fell to the ground. Now, repeat after me. The stun knocked him back a ways and he fell to the ground. The second practice. This stuns the sperm, effectively putting them to sleep for up to 10 days. Now, repeat after me. This stuns the sperm, effectively putting them to sleep for up to 10 days.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.